Hi everyone, it's Carrie from Stamp with CT. I am so excited. It's finally January 3rd, which means we can launch our 2019 Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog full of beautiful spring products. You're going to love it. If you are one of my customers, you will have already received a catalog in the mail. If you haven't, let me know. And if you've requested a catalog from me, those have all been mailed out. Now, if you do not have a demonstrator that you purchase from, if you'd like to send me a message, I'll be glad to get a catalog to you. There's nothing like having a catalog that you can actually flip through and, write on and make notes and put your sticky notes. It's just nice to have your own catalog. Now, I also wanted to talk a little bit about Celebration because Celebration runs from January 3rd until March 31st of 2019. And it's been a while since it was Celebration, so I just wanted to give you some reminders about how you can best get all of the rewards from Celebration. So first is by being a customer. For each $50 purchase prior to tax and shipping, you can select something from this Celebration brochure. Now these items are not able to be purchased. You can only earn them and receive them free with your purchase. So we have stamp sets. We have embellishments like this beautiful ribbon. That cupcake set is super cute. We have a full package of this gorgeous DSP. Another stamp set. That rooster has been super popular. Demonstrators get to pre-order, so for a good month we've had products in our hands and been able to play with it, and that rooster is super cute. This is actually foil paper in Grapefruit Grove and Lovely Lipstick. Free. And then there's also a second level. When you purchase $100, you're actually able to select either these framelit dies, and they coordinate with a stamp set in the Occasions catalog, or this fabulous stamp set. So that's at the $100 level. Now they will release some more products on February 15th for Celebration. All of these items in this brochure are while supplies last. So you want to put your order in sooner than later. Don't want you to be disappointed. Now another way that you can reap rewards is by hosting. And hosting can be having a party in your home or even in my home. You can do a kit class. You can just pass a book around and collect orders, or you can even host your own order. So at the $250 level is where it starts, receiving 25 extra rewards, hostess rewards. And so basically that's free product that you get to pick. Now the other way that you can get rewards is by joining my team, getting the starter kit, and receiving a discount. So normally it's $99 and you are able to select $125 worth of product. But during Celebration, it is even better. You spend $99 and you receive $175 worth of product. That's anything that you want from the Occasions catalog, clearance rack, the annual catalog. You get to choose, so that's really awesome. So if your wish list is anywhere near $99, this really is the best buy. The other option that we have is to include this beautiful tote in your starter kit. So here you would pay $129. You would get $175 worth of product that you select, and that is with free shipping, by the way. But you could also get this awesome tote. I got mine about a month ago and I've used it several times. It's very sturdy, it's beautiful, it's great for taking your supplies if you have a class, but also if you're going to a crop or just to a friend's house. It's really great. So I wanted to make sure that you were aware of all of the ways that you can receive rewards during Celebration. I will tell you too that as demonstrators, we're actually able to receive even more rewards. So I can let you know about that once you've purchased your starter kit. Before I go, just want to show you a couple of samples. These are swaps that I've made with some of the new product. And this is that paper I showed you in the Celebration catalog. So pretty. So if you need anything, just let me know. You can email me at stampwithct@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Facebook at stampwithct. You can also purchase in my online store at stampwithct.stampinup.net, and that's also where you can join my team, the Super Inspired Stampers. Thanks so much. Talk to you later.